Today we hatched out a regular blizzard. He might look like a Mack Snow to some people, but this is our Mack Snow blizzard from there. You see there's no yellow on him. The blizzards from Mr. Moon and Big Mom always are darker ones. So I could be confused with the Mack Snow blizzard. It's not focusing really well right now on him, but he's got some yellow on his side, so that's a clear sign that it's not a Mack Snow blizzard. And these guys wind up hatching with the solid eyes too. And they will stay just like the Mack Snow blizzards stay. That's how I get a lot of them from Mr. Moon and Big Mama that have the solid eyes. Well, actually, now that I mention it, this one doesn't have solid eyes. They're normal. Probably not going to pick that up on the video, but and yeah, these Gecko is just 15 days older. These Mr. Moon Big Mama babies grow really fast and get huge. We'll be keeping this Mack Snow blizzard. The blizzard, of course, will probably be for sale. I'm not going to keep so many of these. But sure, going to be a big Gecko. And, you know, if you're interested, just send me a message at my Facebook page. There's a link in the description. And if I hatch some more of these Mack Snow blizzards too, that will probably put those up for sale, because I'm just going to keep this one male. And this is a temp sex male here. There you can see the color now. Gecko's going a little crazy. We're just trying to corral the other one. Nice dorsal stripe on there, actually. And something cool about these, they're from the Funky Jungle line, Mr. Moon. And the way I made the first Bell albino hats for Funky Jungles was I got a Mr. Moon Mack Snow blizzard back, and I bred that gecko into a Jungle Bell albino, non-Funky Jungle line, and that's how I produced my first Funky Jungle geckos that were had for Bell albino and blizzard as well. And so something that's cool about these geckos is they could be Funky Jungle blizzards, and you can produce Funky Jungles with them when I'm bred to, you know, something besides a blizzard. I think that's pretty cool. You know, it's a nice plus when you're out crossing to something, and your hets or normals aren't just normals, and you get some Funky Jungles in there. So not just throwaway animals to say, you know, that you'd be producing. And this guy's got the dorsal stripe too. Pretty cool. See the solid eyes, not really focusing on it that well, but yeah. Really beautiful adults, these Mack Snow blizzards. I don't know if all Mack Snow blizzards are created equal, but these ones from this Mr. Moon line of Mack Snow blizzards are just gorgeous adults. They're like a velvety gray, and then with the solid black eyes, just really nice geckos. Alright, that'll be it. Link is in the description to my Facebook page. Please like it and subscribe. Thanks.